Every Twitch streamer has animations to celebrate follows, subs, donations, bits, raids, or hosts. But do you know what they don't have? On-demand superpowers. And today I'm here to teach you how to do that using OBS Studio and only its hotkey function. The first thing you need is the image, GIF, or video that you want to use and have it saved to your computer. I prefer using videos in MP4 format because you get both audio and image from a single source. Otherwise, you'll have to create two or multiple sources and then spend a lot of time dealing with delays and trying to sync them up. Nobody has time for that. Next, head to the scene that you want to use your image or video in, and in the sources window, either click the plus icon or right-click in the gray area, mouse over Add, and select the media type you want to use. If you're using a PNG, a GIF, or JPEG, select Image. I'm using a video source, so I will select VLC Video Source. In the window that pops up, select Create New and name your source. I will name mine Energy Ball. Leave Loop Playlist checked for now, and if you have multiple images or videos and want them to play at random, you would select Shuffle Playlist. We will cover this feature in a future video. Do not change visibility behavior. We want the media to restart every time you turn the source back on. Select the plus, click Add Files, and select the file you want to use. Click Open and OK. If your media comes out a little large, you can always scale the image by clicking any of the red squares on the edge of the source, dragging in, making it smaller, and repositioning it wherever you want. Under Effect Filters, click the plus icon and select Chroma key. Click OK. Move the slider bars until you get the desired effect of the chroma key. To change the color of your media, right-click in Effect Filters, go to Add, and Color Correction. Select OK, and change the Hue Shift anywhere to get the color you want. With the background removed and the desired color, click Close. Finally, go to Settings. Under Hotkeys, find the scene and the source, and assign a hotkey, both to show and to hide the source. Click Apply, and OK. Every time now that you press the hotkey, it will make the source turn off and on. You can see this eyeball open and close. If you use the video or audio file and cannot hear the file play yourself, click this gear under the mixer and go to Advanced Audio Properties. Find the source name and change Audio Monitoring to Monitor Only Mute Output. You should now hear your source. Also, make sure you did not mute your source. And so now, when we turn on the camera and we activate our hotkey, I kind of like having the camera on top of that animation. So now, turn it off, turn it back on, and now your hands are over it. You can grasp it a little bit. Now you do have to toggle it on and off. You can see down below. Let me put myself away. So now you can see every time we press the hotkey, this eyeball opens and closes, and you can hear the audio yourself. So let's turn the camera on and activate our ability. And so that is my quick demo on conjuring images and animations with sounds on demand in OBS Studio, only using its hotkey function. I hope that it helps add an extra dimension and a unique flair to your streams. My name is IshkaTV, and I'm a character streamer on Twitch, and you can come and find me there where I RP as a paladin in training. Every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, 9 p.m. to midnight. Keep in mind that this is a OBS Studio series where we are focused on the features that come built in with OBS Studio. Please leave your questions, suggestions, and comments down below, and give me some ideas on what to cover in our next video.